We want to show you the difference in strength between WeatherWeld and restoration coating system. We encapsulated a cinder block with WeatherWeld, and we painted normal thickness of silicone coating on this cinder block, and we're gonna drop them from 10 feet in the air and see which one is stronger. All right, so I wasn't the only one that saw how durable this is, so let's go higher. Well, my head is maxed out on the light, but let's go higher. Let's start it at camera level. The results speak for themselves. So we wanted to do a destruction test to show how durable and how strong WeatherWeld is compared to the competition. We've already dropped this from 8, 10, and 12 feet. That's not enough because it still didn't break. And now we're gonna beat it with a hammer. And as a test for a control, we're gonna take the original cinder block that we WeatherWelded and show how easy it is to break. But WeatherWeld, like, how many times can we freaking hit this thing? I'm hitting this thing as hard as I can. I've been doing this for 25 years, and I am constantly impressed every single day on how much WeatherWeld works. And after 25 years, this is by far one of the funnest and the best tests that I've ever done.